हाय, इस वीडियो में हम सॉलिडवर्क्स में डायमेंशन देने के काफ़ी कोई को इजी मेथड को जानेंगे, जिसको यूज़ करते हुए आप काफ़ी इजीली स्केच ड्रा कर सकते हैं और आप काफ़ी टाइम सेव कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स ओपन दी सॉलिडवर्क्स, क्लिक फाइल, न्यू एंड सेलेक्ट द पार्ट एंड ओके। क्लिक स्केच एंड सेलेक्ट द फ्रंट प्लेन। तो नॉर्मल मेथड क्या है कि पहले आप स्केच ड्रा करें लाइक दिस और फिर स्मार्ट डायमेंशन के थ्रू इसको डायमेंशन दे दें। लेकिन ये जो मेथड है काफ़ी लेंथी और कॉम्प्लेक्स है, स्पेशली उस सूरत में जब आपने बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स डिज़ाइन तैयार करना हो या बहुत ही लेंथी स्केच ड्रा कर रहे हो। तो जो सेकंड मेथड है उसके थ्रू आप काफ़ी टाइम सेव कर सकते हैं। तो उसके लिए आई गो टू ऑप्शन, क्लिक स्केच एंड एज यू सी एंड सेलेक्ट दिस बोर्ड and okay. So again draw a rectangle, select first point. When I select the first point, he asks for dimensions. Like, let's suppose I say 50, enter, and is 150, enter. So my rectangle is to draw. I also again select the line. So again, as you see, when I select the first point, he asks for dimension. Let's suppose I take this 20, enter, and again he asks for dimensions. Yes, 30, enter. Again 20, enter. 20, enter. So as you see how quickly I draw the dimensions, I draw the line without any smart dimensions. See, I select 30, and let's close this and okay. So this is very easy and quick way to draw the dimension. So again I draw the rectangle. So as you notice that he asks for dimension through y-axis, but if you first draw the dimensions of x-axis, tab button, so he asks for dimensions for y-axis. Let's suppose if you note, again press tab. So when you press the tab button, so you can switch between x and y axis. So it shows which dimensions you take the first. So first I take the x-axis 100 and 50. So my rectangle is drawn. So I draw the circle. Let's select circle, center point. So as you see, you again ask for dimensions. Its diameter, let's 10. So as you see, my circle is drawn. This is very quick and easy way, and you save lots of time to use this dimensions method. So in this through this option he asks for dimensions every time when you draw any shape, like when you draw the spline, ellipse, polygon, rectangle, even arc. So let's I draw the arc for first point and second point. So as you see, he asked for me to radius. So let's I take this 25. So another shortcut way is S key. When you press the S key, a small dialog box is open in which different tools are placed here, which we're going to use in your sketch. You can also add and remove these tools in this dialog box when I click the and click customize. So I can make the another separate video in which I show you how to add the shortcut keys in your in this dialog box, or remove these shortcut keys, or I explain another shortcut keys like commands, menus, mouse gesture, and keyboard. As you see, it's lots of commands and shortcuts are available here. So let's close this. SolidWorks provides you shortcuts to minimize your time and complexity of the sketch. So let's extrude these sketches. Go to features and click extrude boss base. And as you see, SolidWorks did not select these sketches automatically because as this is incomplete sketch. So I select these one by one. Also this tiny circle and also this. So as you see, when I select this, thin feature is on, but I did not select this. Let's ignore. So let's ignore this sketch and okay. So as you see, this all objects are extruded. So this is the video in which I introduce you new method of dimensions, which you use to save lots of time when you draw the complex sketches.